Okay, here we have the Tojiro F801. So this is their DP series of knives that are made in Japan. This is a VG10 laminate with their 13 chromium stainless steel. So you'll see the laminate line. It will not patina. It is also stainless steel, unlike some of the other laminates that we have. So this is a stainless steel clad stainless steel. What you have is a 4 3/4 inch paring knife with all stainless steel bolster, and then the nice plastic handle. Handle is a little on the small side for a guy with a big hand like me. I can use these. I actually have one in my kitchen I use, but for some tasks it is just on the small side. For other tasks it is perfect, like peeling potatoes. I was peeling potatoes with one of these last night and it's absolutely beautiful. But like if you're actually trying to do some rock chopping, which I don't do with a paring knife, but some people do, it can be a little small for something like that. So the Tojiro DP series, this is F801. Check the website for all the current information and prices. All the specs will be on there.